Hello my friends, in this video today we will learn how to configure email notification in classified listing plugin. The classified listing plugin comes with built-in email notification settings that allow you to send automatic emails to site admins, listing owners or users. Firstly, go to the classified listing plugin and then settings. According to age, go to the email first. Get three options for sender options, email notification and email templates. Go to the sender options first. You will get a few email sender options to configure this. Set your from name, classified listing, then your from email address, and then admin notification emails to receive. You will get some other options to customize your classified listing emails. While done, click on Save Changes and then go to the email notification to make it enable or disable for being updated by getting notification through the email. For example, the first one is registration. It will only work when user registered using this classified listing plug registration form. So let's take a look how it works. Firstly, go to the add listing and then my account page, and this is the registration form. For this, provide your username along with the email address and the password. While done, click on register to complete it successfully. Here it is. Now let's check the email, and immediately after registration the admin will be notified. Now let's back to the settings again, and now let's enable the other options like listing submission and the other. While done, click on Save Changes. Let's have a look how it works. To the add listing, and this form is about the post and ad. Here, provide the listing type along with the categories and then provide the title about the product information. Set the price along with the condition. Now, write a description in details about your product. For the contact details, provide the location, phone number, and then agree with your terms and conditions, then submit it. Here it is. Now let's provide the information about the billing details. For example, your first and last name, your company name, street address, location, zip code, and the phone number. Then choose your payment method to proceed the payment. Here it is. Here you can see your payment status pending. Now click on view all my listings, and here it will also display pending. Now let's go to the email to check your inbox. Here, this is the email. This notifies the admin as the receiver of the new listing through the email, and this is your order. Now let's work on this pending order status. For this, go to the settings first and enable your payment received, then click on Save Changes. Now let's go to the payment history and click on your particular order. From here, you will get options to choose your status as completed and click on Update it to save it. Let's go to the email again. And here, this is our new notification about the payment status that is completed. Now let's go to the settings again. And in this way, by completing each step one by one, we saw how the process goes from the registration to listing submission, how to edit a listing, how to create an order and complete it so that the admin always stays updated and gets notified. In the same process, your users will be always updated and get notification through the email, which means you can also configure email notification for the users from here. Same process are applicable for these all options. While done, then click on Save Changes. Now back to the sender options again. If you want, you can add your header image from yourself. Choose anyone and select it. Then save it. Now let's have a look again. As an example, let's go to the My Account by filling up this information as register. Once you register, a notification will be sent to you right away. Here it is. Also in the email that you receive, you will be able to see the header image that you have used. And this is how you can configure email notification. Thank you for staying with us.